Exploring the wilderness can be thrilling, but what if you come face to face with a bear? Knowing how to react could save your life. Let's dive into the essential steps to survive a bear attack. First, stay calm and assess the situation. Not all bears are aggressive, and many just want to pass by. Avoid sudden movements and try to identify the type of bear. Grizzlies and black bears require different responses. Grizzlies are larger and have a distinctive hump on their shoulders, while black bears are smaller and more agile. If you encounter a grizzly, avoid eye contact and back away slowly. For black bears, make yourself look bigger and make loud noises to scare them off. Always remember, your safety is the priority. If the bear hasn't noticed you yet, speak calmly and firmly to make your presence known. Slowly raise your arms to appear larger. Most bears will back off if they see you as a non-threat. Whatever you do, don't run. Bears can outrun you and may see running as a trigger to chase. Stand your ground, avoid eye contact, and be prepared for the bear's next move. If the bear doesn't retreat, slowly back away, keeping your eyes on the bear without making direct eye contact. Move sideways if possible. This is less threatening to the bear. If the bear charges, use bear spray as your first line of defense. Aim for the bear's face when it's within 20 to 30 feet. Bear spray is highly effective and can deter most attacks. If a grizzly bear attacks you, the best strategy is to play dead. Lie flat on your stomach, keep your legs spread slightly apart, and use your hands to protect the back of your neck. Remain as still as possible and try to stay calm. On the other hand, if a black bear attacks, do not play dead. Instead, fight back with everything you've got. Use any available objects like sticks, rocks, or even your fists to defend yourself. Aim for the bear's face and nose, as these are its most sensitive areas. Remember, your goal is to make the bear see you as a threat and retreat. Stay strong and be prepared to defend yourself. Remember, prevention is key. Make noise while hiking, travel in groups, and stay vigilant. The wilderness is beautiful but can be unpredictable. By making your presence known, you reduce the chances of surprising wildlife. Always carry bear spray and know how to use it effectively. It's a crucial tool for your safety. Being prepared means understanding the environment and respecting the creatures that call it home. Equip yourself with knowledge and the right gear. By staying informed and prepared, you can enjoy the great outdoors safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips. Share your experiences and help others stay safe too. Together, we can make every adventure a safe one.